A great start. The second deal also closes in profit. Oh, this deal went into the red. Again in my favor. Hi, today I have a great strategy for you, with which I earned $1,155 in one trade set. No panic, no complicated schemes. Everything is based on clear signals and clear rules. I use only 3 indicators and strictly follow the decisions according to my tips. Now you will see everything yourself, and I will show you the whole process, how I look for entry points, how I analyze the chart, and how I manage risks. If you want to understand how a trader moves, watch to the end. So, let's go. I start with a deposit of $13,400. I risk $500 in the deal. The expiration is 1 minute, and I look at the chart on a 30-second time frame so that everything is clear and fast. Now to the indicators, I choose MACD with settings of 10, 20, and 5. It helps to catch the moments of reversal. Then I add ZigZag, leaving the parameter standard, and another important assistant is Fractal. It shows local tops and bottoms well. Everything is ready. You can look for an entry. I see a great moment for a long. Fractal just marks the local bottom, and last time the same signal gave a confident growth. I expect this situation to repeat itself. I look further. MACD also tells me it is in the oversold zone, and this is another signal to buy. In addition, the price has reached the zone of strong support, and history already shows how the market has bounced up from it more than once. Everything is going well, and I open a deal to increase. The first trade immediately brings in $950, a great start, and I immediately move on to finding the next entry point. I showed all these trades in real time in Telegram, and those who traded with me then sent screenshots with profits. It's incredible nice. If you're also tired of chaotic trading and want to receive clear signals, just follow the link under the video, click right in Telegram and write, "I want access to a closed channel." I will explain everything and connect. Last week we gave 75 signals, 89% of them closed in profit. Everything is honest, the statistics are real, easy to check. And if you just want to watch for now, go to the free channel. There is also a lot of useful stuff there. Trades, results, reviews. Watch, learn, get inspired. I open another deal to increase. Now there is an upward trend on the chart, but the price has slightly gone into correction. I expect that from 0 on MACD we will see an increase again. I draw a trend line. It supports the movement beautifully. And on the chart you can clearly see how the price bounces off this line. Everything is according to plan. The rules are followed. I expect the growth to continue. The second deal also closes in profit and brings $885. I see that the trend is still strong and it is probably worth entering into a bullish deal again. Everything points to growth, the chart, indicators, trend line. I open a deal and wait for the movement to develop. If everything goes according to the scenario, it will be possible to earn good money on this impulse. Oh, this deal went into the red. The market didn't give the necessary reaction. Sellers started to put pressure on the price. I increased the risk and think about what to do next. It looks like the uptrend is losing strength and we can see a breakout of the trend line. That's right, we can fly into short. The price touches the trend again, but this time the sellers are putting more pressure. The trend breaks, and this is exactly the point where I catch the downward movement. I expect the price to start forming a new downward trend. Yes, I closed the fourth deal again in my favor. Another $1,820 on the balance, and the loss was cover it. Let's count. The start was $13,400 and in the end I earned $1,155. Out of 4 trades, 3 brought profit, 1 closed at a loss. When you act according to the system, the result is not long in coming. The main thing is not to rush from one strategy to another, but to analyze one thoroughly and bring it to automatism. This is the only way to get stable results. By the way, I show all the trades live in Telegram. If you want to receive the same clear signals, go to Telegram via the link under the video. Click right and right. I want to join a private channel. Well, if you are not ready yet, take a look at the free channel. There is also a lot of interesting stuff there. Open trades, analysis, results, all with your own eyes.